Okay, welcome back. Welcome back again. One way to improve the estimate of the slope, which involves determination of two derivatives for the interval, so one at the initial point and another at the end point. So the two derivatives are then arranged to obtain an improved estimate of the slope for the entire interval. So we have the end point and the starting point and the end point. Okay, so we will improve because of the limitation of the Euler's method, we will improve Euler methods by using Young's method. So this method, okay. So this figure shows the graphical depiction of Young's method. A the predictor and B is the corrector. So if you will recall, uh, the slope for Euler methods, we have the functions of x, y, yi, or the derivative of the functions of the x, y, yi would be the slope. So this equation is the original from Euler's equation. So this is the predictor. So it's just denoted of 0 sa taas to denote that is a predictor para lang ma-distinguish na hindi siya sa Euler method. Pero ito fortunately galing siya sa sa Euler's method original. Okay? So ito 'yun. 'Di ba sa una pagkuha natin ng value ng yi plus 1, so we are using the slope of the yi. Then ngayon sa Young's method, i-compute natin tong kukunin natin yung slope nito and the other slope of the next point. Then kunin natin yung average na divided by 2. This is the formula for the corrector to get us the more accurate value of the yi plus 1. Okay. So ito yung yi plus 1 ay na to, ito yon. Itong formula na to. Okay, f x I y I, ito yung sa original. Okay. So using this formula will give us a more accurate solution to compute for the value of yi plus 1. So that is the next point. Okay, so una kasi naka-ano lang tayo sa uh, slope ng original position. Doon lang tayo naka-base. Ngayon kukunin natin yung average. Okay? So part pa rin siya ng Runge-Kutta method. So most improved lang siya. Okay? So we have here an example sa book. So use Young's method to integrate y prime is equal to 4e raised to the power of 0.8 x minus 0.5 y from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4 with a step size of 1. So the initial condition at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Okay. So before solving the problem numerically, we can use calculus to determine the following analytical solution. So use calculus to compute for the original function. So this is the original function or the equations. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Excel. Okay. Let's put on some. Okay. So the problem states x for value of x or xi We have from 0 to 4 and a step size of 1. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My life. Then we have here the original condition is value of y. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. That is the initial condition. Okay. Okay, now let's compute for the f functions of xi, yi. So using these original equations, and y prime is equal to 4e 0.8x, so that would be equals to 4 4 multiplied by e, so we have here the value of e that is equal to 2.781. Okay, raised to the power of zero point 0.8 multiplied by value of x, okay, minus 0.5 multiplied by the value of y, f10. Okay, that is 3. So P7 dollar. Okay, then let's compute for the value of y's of ito, the predictor. Y's of o I plus I is equal to yi plus the function of xi yi times h. Okay, y's of o xi yi hindi I plus 1 dito, I plus 1 superscript. Okay, so that is equal to ang formula ito, yi plus this function times the step size of h, that is equals to 1. Okay, that is equal to 5. Okay, then after which i-complete na natin yung xi plus 1. So now we need the x of I plus 1 value. So ito yun, x of I plus 1. So ito yung x of I original plus 1. Ito yung x of I plus 1 is equal to this one. Okay, pagkatapos kukunin natin yung value ng ito, we have the yi f of xi plus 1 and the y's of oi plus 1. Okay, so ito yung functions. So that is the functions of x of I plus 1 and y of o I plus 1. superscript. Okay. Okay. So we'll be using again the formula, this formula again, to get the function. So that is equals to uh, 4 multiplied by e raised to the power of 0.8 multiplied by x of I plus 1. So yun, minus 0.5 multiplied by I. So ito yan, 6.402 uh, 160. Okay. So, complete na natin yung I plus 1. So, ito yun. Formula to. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin yung formula kung ito yung average ng dalawang functions. So, that's equals to yi original 2, okay, plus ang average ng dalawa, this value f of xi lang, plus this value divided by 2 multiplied by h, which is equals to 1. So we have a value of 6.70108119. Okay. So next we'll compute for the value of the next xi. So this would become the yi of the step size. So that is equals to okay. Then drag lang natin sila pababa. Para ma-compute. Okay. So ito na yung mga value ng yi. 83, 37, 16, and 6.7 and 2. Okay, using Yun's method. So we'll try to plot again. Insert. Wait lang. So wala pa tayong true value pala. So kung natin true value. Insert. So y true. So ito approximate. So y true, this is you will use these equations to compute for the y true. Okay. Okay, for the true value, itong this equation. So that is equal to 4 divided by 1.3 times e multiplied by 0.8 times x, okay, minus e times negative 0.5 multiplied by x e10, okay, close parenthesis, plus 2, okay, times e raised to the power of negative zero point 0.5 times E10. Kadali lang. 2. Okay, let's check. Dollar sign. This is dollar sign. Dollar sign. Erase, then erase 3 times. Erase and this erase. 0.5 times E10. 0.8 times X E minus E minus 0.5 times the value of X plus 2 times E raised to 0.5x. Okay, let's check. 6.19. So, i-drop lang natin. So, this is now the true value. Okay, let's check. Insert graph. Okay, if you will notice, malapit yung true sa approximate value, no? Malit lang yung difference nila. So, let's check for the error. Okay, for the error. So, that is equals to true value minus the approximate value by true value times 100% negative. So, gawin natin absolute para puro positive. Okay, let's drag down. Okay, yun. So, lumiliit. So, that is the true error percentage, true error. So, that's it. So, notice how the errors sometimes grow as the iterations proceed. So, such increases can occur, especially for large step sizes. So, malaking step size ng 1, di ba? And they prevent us from drawing the general conclusion that an additional iteration will always improve the result. So, for sufficiently small step size, the iteration should eventually converge on a single value. For our case, uh, for relative error, so medyo malit lang. Okay. Okay, so that's it. And for your assignment 8 pa lang ba to? Assignment 8. So this is your assignment. Use Euler and Hune method to solve this function and another these functions. Okay, submit it on next meeting. So that's all for today. Good luck and congratulations. Goodbye.